In this video, let us study fourth lesson, that is circles. This chapter belongs to geometry. Here, first of all, I am going to take one mark questions. Question number 1. In the figure, BC is option A radius, option B chord, option C diameter, option D secant. We know that the line segment which joins any 2 points on the circumference of the circle is a chord. In this figure, the line segment BC joins 2 points B and C which are on the circumference of the circle with center O. So option B is correct answer. Question number 2. The maximum number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle from an external point is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Let us try to draw tangents from external point to a circle as far as maximum. But we can draw only 2 tangents at most. So option B is correct answer. This question is asked in model paper 2 by KSEEB. First question is also asked in model paper 2. Question number 3. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called option A chord, option B secant, option C tangent, option D radius. You know it is secant. Question number 4. A tangent to a circle intersects it in dash points. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. As we know, the tangent intersects the circle at only one point. So option A is correct answer. Question number 5. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most, that is 2. Question 6. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called dash, point of contact. Question number 7. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ equal to 12 cm. The length PQ is option A 12 cm, option B 13 cm, option C 8.5 cm, option D root of 119 cm. Let us draw figure. According to problem, radius OP is equal to 5 cm, OQ is equal to 12 cm, PQ has to be calculated. So in figure, OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square, because OPQ is a right angled triangle, because radius drawn at point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. Here OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Therefore PQ square equal to OQ square minus OP square. Substitute the values. PQ square is equal to 12 square minus 5 square. You know 12 square is equal to 144 and 5 square is 25. Therefore PQ square is equal to 144 minus 25. Therefore PQ square is equal to 119. Therefore PQ is equal to root of 119 cm. Option D is correct answer. Next question number 8. In figure, PA, PC and CD are tangents. AP is equal to 3 centimeters. CD is equal to 5 centimeters. Find PC. Option A 3 centimeter. Option B 5 centimeter. Option C 2 centimeter. Option D 8 centimeter. We know that the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So here CD equal to BC and AP equal to BP. Therefore, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Similarly, BP equal to AP. So BP is equal to 3 centimeter. Here PC can be written as PB plus BC. Substitute measures of BP and BC. We get PC equal to 3 plus 5. Therefore, PC is equal to 8 centimeter.